I'm Lorenzo de Koenig from LDM Transport. I have 14 vehicles and specialize in low-loader transport. Clean trucks are our calling card to our customers. On weekends, my father is sometimes allowed to come and help, but I like to keep an eye on things. Lately, we were breaking down more and more often. And to get rid of the hustle, I bought him something new. I must say, it's a great investment. He's as happy as a little kid, it's wonderful to see. We bought 1,000 liters of soap up front, so it would last him a long time. That way, I can get on with something more enjoyable on Saturdays.